morning. I'm currently heading to the open market to get some produce. The upcoming week is going to be very busy for me, so I'd like to get all the things done today, prepping the veggies and maybe cooking 1 or 2 dishes, and this way the next week is going to be smoother. I've just come back from the open market and now I'm going to head to the supermarket. But I wanted to let all my errands here before going to the supermarket. So I'm going to show you. I got some leeks, some oranges, garlic, onions, eggs. And I got these carrots in a store and this crème fraîche because I don't know why I couldn't find carrots at the open market, but maybe I didn't watch carefully, I don't know. So now, as I said, I'm going to head to the supermarket to run more errands to make the meals. And I will see you later. This is my meal plan if you need some inspiration for the upcoming week. For the first one, it's going to be chicken thigh cooked in the Dutch oven with tarragon and cream. Very good. I'm going to make it today. For the second one, it's just ground beef patty I turn into meatballs with herbs and strong mustard. I think I've already showed you this one. Third one is fish baked in the oven with just lemon and herbs. This one is a stew. I'm going to make some beef with tomatoes and carrots and herbs. This one is breast with cream and mushrooms. Very good. I'm going to make an omelette with herbs and cheese. And the last one is a gratin with endives. I'm going to serve this with just ground beef patties. are now cooking, and while they are cooking, I'm going to prep the chicken, the cocotte with chicken and mustard and so on. So I washed all the leeks. I'm not going to use all the leeks, and I will keep them for another dish I'm going to make later in the week. And so I'm going to use maybe a third of this. Same for the onions, I'm going to use maybe a third. I got my carrots. This is some tarragon from my balcony, because the recipe calls for tarragon. It calls for white wine, so I got some white wine. I got some strong Dijon mustard, some olive oil, crème fraîche. I'm going to use all this crème fraîche. And obviously I've got some chicken tight, and I got some butter too. And so I'm going to cut all the ingredients, the leeks, and maybe I'm going to cut more the onions. And then I'm going to cook the chicken first in the Dutch oven to brown it. And I will remove it, and I'm going to make, afterwards I'm going to make the sauce. And then I will add the chicken back, and I will cook it for at least 30 minutes in the Dutch oven. So I'm going to show you the recipe. Here's the onions and the leeks I'm going to use. In fact, it's more a quarter than a third. But it's okay, because I need all these onions and the leeks to make maybe a gratin or veggies as a side. And the onions, I want to try a recipe I ate in the south east of France, and I want to recreate it, and I think I'm going to show you in my next video. And so it's a dish with sausages. You cook in wine, white wine or red wine. You can use both, you choose. And you cook this for 30 minutes, 45 minutes with some onions and the wine. And it's delicious, so I'm going to try to make this. So I'm going to keep these onions. And I'm going to cook this instead of the fish maybe, or the meatballs, I don't know yet. now I'm going to let it simmer for 40 minutes. I will check occasionally and stir. And at the end, I will increase the temperature and I'll, in order to reduce the sauce, to make it more creamy. And maybe adding more tarragon and some salt, and it will be ready to go. And so I'm going to let it cool, and it will be the dinner for tomorrow, I think. So I'm going to store it in the fridge, and tomorrow night I'm just going to have to reheat it, and it will be okay. And yeah, that's it. And now I'm going to prep the beef with the carrots and the tomato, and I'm going to make the gratin with endives too. This way it will be ready to go too. And for the other ingredients, I'm going to store them in the fridge, and they will be ready. And no, maybe I'm going to cook the leeks. Yeah, this way I'm going to cook them ahead of time. This way I'm going to have them ready to go next week.